Alright, so what we have here is a 2006 Honda Civic, and if you're wondering how to reset your oil, first you're gonna have to turn on your ignition. 1, 2, right? And so as you can see, there's a flashing there, right? As negative 900 kilometers, because that's where I keep running until until I decide to change the oil. And so when you see that flashing, right, and you have the wrench there till it's on, so when you go on the left side here, if you go on your left side, you can see the reset button here. It says reset, so you have to press that. So you hold it and you see it's flashing, then you can let go, and then you press it again, then there you go. This is 100 now, and the wrench light is off. Alright, thank you for watching. If this video helped, please consider to subscribe, like, and share.